Happy New Year to all Sierra Leoneans. I dey here today for appreciate this government. I dey here today for praise this government and outline some of the developments that will take place from 2018 to now. When somebody do good, praise them and appreciate them. One, where country they develop, they get a lot of small criminals, them petty thieves. And why many petty thieves here they all about na the country? Now because some man they misuse the money. Money don't boku na the country, we don't know waiting for do with them again. Some of who they left for bag then careless now put boku money inside it. Who they left for phone then careless. And then petty thieves they are then they for the get then tear for we. For now we know they left them so no more. Number two, intelligent beggars. The beggar man they become so intelligent for implement tactics and strategy on how for beg. You go see some beggar man can meet you no more. Me mama no well or me pikin admit in a hospital or me I get 10 pikin them or I want transport for go at alo. You meet up on a lumbling. You know because it no say money they all over the country. So it a fun technique how to get this money for let it go put them into good use. Because some of you want misuse them. Now it make the government they get a lot of intelligent beggars them for they get them money and for put them at the central bank. Number three, kidnapping. Any nation where they develop, kidnappers then they plenty. The government they get a lot of kidnappers them. You know why? You get people them what you want disarray where they go out of control. Well, because the young people then don't get boku money past other people them, so then you want go out of the way, then you want go on the rampage. So you get people them where they kidnap them people and they for put them to order. Or if you people and get money, then they call for ransom. For let them able to put them money into good use because one misuse them. This government don't try you. Now we they praise them. Then they get armed robbing. The armed robbers and they plenty. That's now number three. Sorry, number four. The armed robbers and they plenty in the country. Where country they develop. Because you get some people and way be say, then they keep the money that they host them. Now when I tap the money and they sleep. Some man they turn money chair. Some man they put money in a back put for go to another country. So they get the armed robbers here for they go host to host or for the for the stop people them on the way on their vehicle for check for their money here. For let them able to take them back to the government for let them put them into good use. Because people them don't so gently, they don't know what to do with the money again. Number five, cheap prostitution. Where country they develop, the prostitution they become so cheap because the prostitute then they do a no more because they lack the job. Not of money again. They see other prostitute they telling companies say, but where they go do a big now for friend connection for me. I like na threesome self love go do them. Then they take the thing careless now, not of money again. You they meet up prostitute na street now. Like you not go meet them, you go meet the man. And they tell and say how much you get, give me a mo. And they go past the night because they do enough for fun. Not of money again. Then number six, ritualism. You get a lot of ritualism. When it be say, then just they. Where country they develop the ritualists, then they plenty for letting able to boost the economy. Then they appease the devil them, the gods them, because every country get devil them, get gods them. So when they get the ritualists them, then the government just puts them down there for letting able help for the boost the economy. Number seven, drugs they become nothing at the country. Small pickings if they take drugs because it's cheap. They all over the place. Drug na nothing where country they develop. Like in a salon where you go, they get kush, you get tramadol, you get ecstasy, you get cocaine. Come on, name it. Small bobo, the small titi, they all they take can. Then call them flex. This country don't really develop. Where be say other country for let you see cocaine, let you see drugs, bruh. For let you see alcohol, we get voodoo, we get tangish, we get kosobo. Shankadas in there for the produce. That's where the country they develop. You get people who they carry the kush, the cocaine inside the country. The country they develop. Nothing. Number 8, smell malt they plenty. because people are so full of joy. They need to get appetite for it again. And when Motamano they eat, the mouth then they smell. They don't get problem again. Smell mouth they all over the country. Now because angry boku, people they don't get time for it. The food plenty. They're not able. They think they're full of joy. They get other better things for do. Not of go see. You know when food boku they lost appetite. The people then. This is now 2022. Local council election then at the corner. Let them people are not campaign to we again. Lord, we just show them appreciation. Just look the city them, where they're full of dirty. You know why? Because the government not get time for let it support the local government. For let city council they go and clean. For pay people them. For people they not they say for do them job them. They because they not to better job them. We can't they develop. People then get better things than more than they think about. Sort of go and do them petty job then they for clean streets. But they think of go get people in Guinea and Liberia for can clean we country for we become money boku.